Hello and welcome back. Today we have an easy story for you at an A2 level. It is about Anna, who is new in town, and her kind neighbour Tom. Don't worry about every word, just relax, listen, and follow along. Let's begin. Anna had a new flat on a quiet street. She liked her new home very much. But there was one small problem. She didn't know the town. She didn't know where the shops were. She didn't know where to buy bread or coffee or medicine. Everything was new, and everything was a little confusing. One Saturday morning there was a knock at the door. It was Tom, her neighbour. "Good morning, Anna," he said with a big smile. "Would you like me to show you around? I can show you the neighbourhood." Anna was very happy. "Yes, please," she said. "That would be lovely." They walked out onto the street together. The sun was shining. "So," said Tom, "let me show you the important places." They walked to the end of the street and turned left. "This is the bakery," said Tom. "It is next to the park. The bread here is wonderful." Anna smiled. She loved fresh bread. Then they crossed the road. "Look over there," said Tom. "That is the little café. It is opposite the station. I come here every morning for a coffee." They kept walking. "And on the corner there is a small supermarket," said Tom. "You can buy everything there. The pharmacy is next to it if you ever need medicine." A little further, Tom pointed across the road. "That building between the two cafes is the library," he said. "It is quiet and it is warm in winter. It is one of my favourite places." Anna was learning a lot. "This is so helpful," she said. "Thank you, Tom. How do I get to the park from my flat?" "It's easy," said Tom. "Turn right, go straight, and it is at the end of the road next to the bakery." Anna repeated it slowly. "Turn right, go straight, next to the bakery. I think I can remember that." After their walk, Tom stopped at the little cafe. "Let me buy you a coffee," he said. "Welcome to the neighbourhood." They sat down by the window. Anna looked out at the busy street. She saw the park, the bakery, and all the people. This morning, everything was new. Now, it felt a little bit like home. "Thank you for showing me around," said Anna. "Now I know where everything is." Tom smiled. "That's what neighbours are for," he said. "Let's review some useful English from the story. To show someone around, to take someone to see a new place for the first time." Tom showed Anna around the neighbourhood, next to, very close, at the side of something. The bakery's next to the park, opposite, on the other side, facing something. The cafe is opposite the station. To turn left, or to turn right, to change direction when you walk or drive. Turn right, then go straight. And on the corner, the place where two streets meet, the supermarket is on the corner. Finally, a very useful question. How do I get to? We use this to ask for directions. For example, how do I get to the park? That's our story for today. Anna has a new neighbourhood and a good friend, Tom. Did you follow the directions? Watch it again tomorrow and you will understand even more. Thank you for watching. Take care. And I'll see you in the next story.